1. Node.js is an open-source, cross-platform JavaScript runtime environment. 2. It allows developers to use JavaScript on the server side to build fast, scalable and high-performance network applications. 3. Node.js utilizes a non-blocking, event-driven I/O model, making it well-suited for real-time applications and data-intensive tasks. 4. It has a large and active developer community, leading to a vast ecosystem of modules and packages for easy integration into Node.js applications. 5. It is commonly used for developing server-side and networking applications, and increasingly for back-end services for web and mobile applications. 6. Node Package Manager (NPM) is the default package manager for Node.js, and it allows developers to easily install and manage third-party packages and modules. 7. Node.js uses the V8 JavaScript engine from Google, which is the same engine that powers the Google Chrome web browser. 8. Node.js allows developers to build both the front-end and back-end of web applications using JavaScript. 9. Node.js is highly extensible, and there are many frameworks built on top of it, such as Express.js, Koa.js, and Meteor.js, which make it easy to develop web applications. 10. Node.js has a built-in package for handling HTTP requests and responses, making it easy to create web servers.